Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is the Crafter's Companion number 19 subscription box. See that there? Yep. Proof of the Pudding, number 19. Balloon Sentaments Stamp and Die Kit. So cute. Now, my husband's listening to this, as I told you before. He listens to all my videos now, so I can't get away with anything. But anyway, he'll tell you that I am not a fan of balloons or clowns. So when I first saw this, I thought, I don't know, I don't like it really. But kind of grew on me, and I got to working with it, and it's kind of cute. And I will show you why and what it came with. So let me gather up a plain sheet of paper and show you. First of all, it came with 2 of these stamp sets. Lots of stamps, lots of sentiments. You can use them for babies, birthdays, congrats, parties, hellos, whatever. Very cute. Like this one a lot. Came out, and they're cute because they're balloons with the little balloon bottoms on them. So you can make little squigglies, and actually has squigglies here that you can attach and make it look like the balloons are the letters. And then it came with a few dies, and this one is hello, and this one is friends, and this one is love, as well as a banner. It would have been really fabulous had all of them had the dies, but I don't think that would have been possible. Anyway, it was nice for that to be put in there. Then it also came with baker's twine in 4 different colors, and it came with flat back pearls. Couldn't have it without flat back pearls, and kind of gemstone cut flat backs as well. And the obligatory ribbon, 3 different sizes, 3 different colors, purple, pink, and yellow. So that was, oh, and the paper. So let me show you the paper. And I really kind of like the paper. I'm not a pink girl, but I like the teal, and, you know, I can use it up. It's purple. There's some houndstooth, green, and there's 3 sheets of each, so that's nice, as well as the solids. Really nice. So there you go there. So as usual, I try to make some cards, and here they are. This one is this one, and all I do, I didn't use a tutorial. I will put the tutorial in this, but I didn't follow it. I just looked at it and copied it, so maybe a little different, but cute. So you attach the baker's twine to the bottom of the balloons, and so cute. And oh, also came with 18 cards, and you know how that is. Love the fact that she puts in cards and envelopes for everything, so you don't have to worry about even that much. And then the hello, and that was from the back, and I made it a little different. I didn't put that one up there, but on the inside I put, make a wish, birthday girl. It's going out to a little friend. So how cute is that? So these types of balloons I'm okay with, but don't bring me a balloon. Mylars, that's okay, but balloons, no, I don't like them at all. Never even let my kids have them in the house. Crazy. Anyway, they're okay with that now. They're all grown up. But so number 19, subscription box, Crafter's Companion. Go craft. Bye-bye.